What's up, my stylish pearls? Welcome back to my channel. And first, I'm start off by taking some heat protecting. I forget the name of it, but I picked this up from my local beauty supply store. And yeah, you guys, I just shampooed and deep conditioned my hair. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into the video, you guys. I'm thinking about cutting my hair, you guys. I don't know. I had a lot of shedding this time. A lot of my hair sheds. I don't know. Let me know if you guys experience shedding a lot. I know your hair is supposed to shed daily, I think, or supposed to shed so many strands a month. So, but I know like my hair sheds a lot, you guys. But I'm just taking my blow dryer, and excuse my dryer, you guys. This is the dryer that I used when I was in beauty school. I could not find my Bluebird. I think that's what it's called, Bluebird. I couldn't find it, so this is what I had to use. But I like to use this because it already has the comb in it. I kind of like take the comb onto the dryer. But yeah, you guys, I'm sectioning off my hair, as you guys can already see, and I'm blow drying my hair. I'm giving the wigs a little break, so I figure I would do my natural hair just to see if I really want to trim it. It looks like one side is longer than the other, but yeah, you guys, I'm just trying to see what I want to do with my natural hair, trying to give the wigs a break and let my hair breathe, but at the same time taking the heat protecting. You guys, you want to protect your hair anytime you're using heat. And yeah, I'm just taking my flat irons, you guys, and I'm not gonna do too many passes, you guys, because it doesn't matter how many passes I do on my hair, it still will frizz up. It won't get bone straight. It will just get straight enough for a little while, but it will not get bone straight. So I'm just going to flat iron my hair, you guys. This is the Remington flat irons, and I think I have it on 400. It goes up to 450, but I have it on 400, and I'm using my rat tail comb to pass through. So yeah, you guys, I'm really thinking about cutting my hair, you guys, and kind of starting over. I really don't know what I want to do. My hair seems a little bit, I don't know, like I said, it breaks off a lot. It grows very fast, but it breaks off a lot right now. I don't know if it's the braids or what, you guys, but I'm just trying to see what I'm going to do. I can see that my hair grew a lot, but as you guys can see, it is extremely thin. So yeah, continue watching this video. I'm just going to zoom right through this of me flat ironing my hair. I'll be back. It's still going to be thin. Like, it doesn't matter, but I'm just going to trim it for the most part. Try to trim the ends. It's not going to do any justice with me even doing this, but I'm going to just cut off that where my length was going with my hair. Like, my hair would be so long and full if it would just grow right. But yeah, you guys, I know I look rough. Excuse the roughness. I just wanted to show you guys. Like, do you guys see that? Yeah, just to give that a little bit of fullness, you guys, because I don't know if you guys are able to tell on camera, but it is like very, like, my hair is already freezing up. It's like really thin, and this right here, hopefully it just grows and I can cut it, but I don't know how it would actually look if I was to cut it like that. But my hair is already freezing up, you guys. Look, I'm trying to see if y'all can see my texture, to let me know what could I do to thicken. I need something to thicken this hair. Like, it's already freezing. This is pretty much not like a tutorial, like where I'm just showing you guys. Well, I could just show you guys my hair, but I can turn around and show you guys the back if you're able to see. This is what the back of my hair looks like all to the back. This is the front. Everything's to the front. You guys see with me cutting it, giving it a good trim, it actually give it a little fullness, but it's very thin, you guys. So yeah, I'm actually going to see how long this lasts in my hair. I'm really going to try to give you guys a journey. So right here, I'm seeing where, well, this side looks like it's a little bit longer than this side. It seems like that one is like more right there. And this side look like it's a little bit shorter, but I want to find me something that's going to thicken my hair. So actually, I wanted to do my research and see what I can find and come up with to see what can thicken my hair up a little bit. And I want to just keep up with the journey and the growth of my natural hair, because my hair grows very fast, but it has always been thin since I can remember, especially since I transitioned over to being natural, which is very weird to me. So yeah, when I had relaxer, my hair was very full and it always got long, it always grew, stuff like that. But now, ever since I've been natural, you guys, I've been thinking about slapping a relaxer on there so much, you guys. But I know a relaxer is not gonna do anything but thin it out, just because it's already thin and it's been so long since I had a relaxer. So yeah, you guys, I just want to keep up with the journey of the natural growth of my hair. I'm going to do my research to see if I can find something to thicken my hair up, my hair strands, my hair follicles, see if it's something that I can thicken my hair strands, because I need some strong hair strands. My hair strands are very sensitive. I feel like they break a lot, like it breaks a lot. Yeah, I just feel like it breaks a lot. So yeah, you guys, this is the second time. I haven't put any heat, apply any heat to my hair since my daughter's 6th birthday. You guys did see that video. I do have a video on me going to the Dominicans and pressing out my hair, but it actually wasn't this long. It seemed like it came by right there the last time, but this is, and that was in March. So March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So 7 months ago, yeah, I went to Dominicans and got my hair pressed, and it looked the exact same how it looks now. Like, they could not get my hair extremely straight. They applied too much heat to my head. My hair smelled like it was burnt. Like, now my hair smell like my conditioner, because as you guys saw, I did the blow dryer and I did the flat iron, but I didn't use the flat iron like so much. I didn't like do so many passes. They apply so much of the blow drying heat, the flat iron, trying to straighten my hair out. And I'm so crazy because I should have just told them like it's not gonna get any straighter, because my hair kept freezing up as she kept going. It kept freezing up, and I'm thinking she, you know, probably just doing her job, not really paying her too much attention. I should have just told her that no, it's not your, you know, you don't have to keep doing so many passes. This is just how my hair is. And she was like, oh, really? And I just was like, yeah. And she was like, yeah, always been thin. I was like, yeah, kind of always been thin, but not this thin. This like the thinnest it ever been. But I'm definitely gonna, if you guys know something that I can use to thicken my hair strands, to make it like a little bit more stronger, I just try to make sure I use everything I need to use. This way you guys saw me use the heat protecting. So, and I definitely shampoo, conditioner, I use Dew Girl oil on my scalp under my wig units. As you guys know, I wear wig units all the time, so I want to give the wig units a break. As you guys can see, I do have edges still. My edges are still here. But yeah, and I do have hair under my wig unit. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy. I look crazy with both of these on. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments down in the comment bar. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see next, my stylish pearls. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.